Artificial intelligence, AI, can be used in various ways depending on the specific application or problem you're trying to solve. Here are some general steps to help you understand how to use AI. Define the problem. Clearly identify the problem you want to solve or the goal you want to achieve using AI. This could be anything from automating a task, making predictions, analyzing data, or creating intelligent systems. Gather and prepare data. AI systems require data to learn and make informed decisions. Collect relevant data that is representative of the problem you're trying to solve. Clean and pre-process the data to ensure it is in a suitable format for AI algorithms. Choose the right AI technique. There are various AI techniques and algorithms available, such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and more. Select the technique that aligns with your problem and data. For example, if you have a large labeled dataset, supervised learning algorithms may be suitable. If you have unstructured data like images or text, deep learning models might be appropriate. Train your AI model. If you're using machine learning or deep learning techniques, you'll need to train your AI model on the prepared data. This involves feeding the data into the model and adjusting its internal parameters to optimize its performance. The training process varies depending on the algorithm and complexity of the problem. It often involves iterations and fine-tuning to achieve the desired accuracy or performance. Evaluate and validate the model. Once the model is trained, evaluate its performance using evaluation metrics suitable for your problem. This step helps you understand how well your model is performing and whether it meets the desired criteria. Validate the model using separate test data to ensure it generalizes well to unseen examples. Deploy the model. Once you are satisfied with the performance of your model, it's time to deploy it in a real-world setting. This could involve integrating the AI model into an existing system, building a user interface, or creating an API for other applications to use. Monitor and improve. After deployment, continuously monitor the performance of your AI system and gather feedback from users. This will help you identify any issues or areas for improvement. You may need to update and retrain your model periodically to adapt to changing circumstances or new data. It's worth noting that working with AI can be complex, and it often requires a good understanding of mathematics, programming, and domain expertise. There are also various AI frameworks and libraries available that can assist you in implementing AI models, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Scikit-learn. Remember to consider ethical and privacy implications when using AI, especially when dealing with sensitive data or making decisions that impact people's lives.